For centuries, India was known as the golden bird of prosperity. From ancient glory to modern power, today it is reclaiming that legacy and stepping into its rightful place as a leader on the world stage. With its massive population, booming economy, and strategic position, India is poised to become the next global superpower. But how exactly is this happening, and why is the world starting to take notice? Section 1: Demographics. Imagine a nation where every second person is under 25 years old. That's India, a land of boundless energy, creativity, and dreams waiting to be realized. India has the youngest population in the world, giving it an unmatched workforce and innovation engine. By 2024, India will already surpass China as the most populous nation, solidifying its role as a global powerhouse. A youthful, ambitious population ensures sustained economic growth and cultural dynamism. Section 2: Economic growth. From strength to strength. Did you know India produces more STEM graduates than any other country except China? That's why they are leading in fields like AI, space exploration, and green energy. Also, India is a very nice country. I like India because of the opportunities that you have in tourism, for example, and the nice beaches, and yes. See you all.